What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to a brand new YouTube video. Today, I'm bringing you guys a Q&A mukbang video. You know, I went to go get some seafood pork. I've been craving some seafood. But I posted on my Instagram story that I wanted you guys to give me some questions to answer. And I got a few responses back. So, other than that, let's get right into it. Ya me estoy saboreando. We got the seafood now. Oh, I'm about to be munching. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Anyway, the first question. How far have you driven for an event? I think the farthest I've driven is, creo que para Nashville, Tennessee, when Armando and Arodi and Brisa came. Yeah, it was when they came. Me fui desde el viernes and regresé el lunes because the event was on a Saturday. No, the event was on a Sunday. Pero como yo tengo ya familia, aproveché esa semana para convivir con ellos. Pero se la rifaron. So it was worth it. It was definitely worth it. Alright, next question. What's your favorite food? I think it has to be like hamburger or something, hamburguesa. Because I don't know why. I probably like hamburguesas or some sopes. Definitely some tacos, some tacos or some ¿qué más? Or some pozole verde. I mean, I like the red one, pero I prefer the green one. What am I supposed to cut it with, bro? Great, bitch. Ooh, that purple, look at that. Ooh. Alright, next question. ¿De dónde eres? I am from Ohio. I hate this state. Pero mi familia, my parents, my mom from Guanajuato, my dad is too. Mi papá es de León. Y mi mamá es de Manuel Doblado. Damn, bro. No manches, es que no se corta. I should have to clip pressure bottom. Alright, next question. How tall are you? I am. How tall am I? I am. I'm 5'9", I believe. 5'9". Bro, you're getting me fucking mad, bro. Es que ya no tiene, no mames.
Estás bien pendejo. Bien pendejo.
Some elotito. No sé. Some elotito, alright. What's your favorite song? I listen to corridos and norteñas, so for corridos, corridos, I think has to be Mi Meta del Morro.
Crean que todo lo que tengo me lo dieron en la mano.
I really like that song. And for norteñas, probably la nueva canción de Julián Álvarez. I think, ¿cómo se llama? ¿Lo tienes todo?
Puedo pedir si tú lo tienes todo.
Ay, güey. Alright, next question. What do you like doing in your free time? I need some napkin, bro. In my free time, in my free time, I like I play soccer con mis amigos o con familia, or I go shopping. Me gusta comprar ropa. This is good. This is clap. Our next question. What made you start vlogging? That's a really, really good question. Why did you start vlogging? I don't know. Creo que porque como yo iba a los bailes, I would always record, but igual for like memories and all that. And then I don't even know. I was just like, you know what? I should just make a YouTube channel igual, post todos los bailes donde voy y todo eso. So like have this like a memory and all that. That's soft. Clap. Alright, next question. What's your goal before this year ends? I don't even know, to be honest. Porque basically yo ya cumplí what was my goal for this year, and that was to meet influencers. All of them super chill, super humble. Yeah, I don't know what my goal. Well, I basically completed my goal, so. I got papas. Alright, next question. If you had a chance to collab with another YouTuber / influencer, who would it be? Definitely my boy Armando. I don't know why, but super funny guy. Super humble too. Pero así como I want to like challenge with him or igual con esta brisa. Alright, next question. How many kids do you want? Probably 2. 1 boy and 1 girl. Pero si me toca 2 boys or 2 girls, I'm perfectly fine with that. But yeah, 2 kids. Oh God. Alright. Next question. If you were to move out of state, what state would you move to and why? If I was to move to another state, what state would it be? Probably, as of right now, ooh, look at that. Ooh. As of right now, probably, I would say Phoenix, but I don't know, maybe Phoenix. Because allá hay muchos like content creators y igual te apoyan y todo eso. That's what I need. Apoyo. Or Florida. Probably Florida. I have a couple of friends over there. Y me apoyan hella. Like hella. So we're gonna be going to Dallas pretty soon. In January 11th through the 15th. So I should pull up. All right, next question. What's your favorite holiday? For me, probably Christmas, porque nos juntamos toda la familia, convivimos, convivimos.
You stupid.
And nos damos regalos, comemos pozole, comemos enchiladas, comemos sopes, comemos de todo. Pero comemos de todo. Damn, this is hard. I should have got some clippers. Ooh la la, but yeah, it'll probably be Christmas. Look at that. I should mix it with the sauce. Where's it? Ooh, I got another elote. Alright, next question. What's the freakiest thing you've done? Ooh. I don't know if I should answer that because I don't know if my family watches my videos. Imagine I say some shit like I ate a girl's ass with Raising Cane sauce.
What do you mean by that?
That's gonna be funny as hell. They'll probably be like, what the fuck? Freakiest thing I've done. I don't know if I should. Nah, I'm not gonna answer that. Because I don't know if my family's watching now. Imagine mis primitos watching my videos and being like, what? Next question though. What was your first job? My first job was at Chipotle. Pero me acuerdo cuando empecé a trabajar, I was nervous. I'm like, shit, bro. Especially porque ahí debes de preparar like those bowls to like the people and they're like right there just looking at you, like a ver cómo le hace y todo eso. Like me with the bowls, I was perfectly fine. Pero with the burritos, but there were some people that would literally order so much, I couldn't even close it, bro. Like literally my manager had to help me todo eso. Es que no manches, le quieren agregar de todo. Carne, frijoles, sopa, and then the sauces. Oh my god, bro. Red sauce, green sauce. Is that it? Like, no, bro. At that point, just get a bowl con una tortilla en medio. Damn. Let's go. Oh, shit. Next question. What's one goal for next year? One goal for next year. It'll probably be me hitting 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. That's my goal. Me hitting 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. Next question. Do you have any tattoos? If not, do you want any? I don't got tattoos ahorita, pero sí quiero uno. Quiero like un San Judas right here. Ooh. Or maybe a sleeve. Maybe a sleeve, pero todavía no sé qué voy a poner. I know I want a San Juditas for sure. Yeah. Alright, next question. How and where did you meet Armando and Brisa? Pretty sure I've told you guys already, pero I'll answer it again. So it was this one time. Damn. Ooh. There was one time. No me acuerdo. Well, I was on Instagram. They put me there this promoter. It was one time. I was in the car. They put me there this Instagram post. Que decía que iba a haber un baile. Iba a estar fuera del grupo, pero iba a estar Armando, Brisa, Yvonne, Grace, I think, who else? I think, oh, Bubba, and who else? I don't know, it was a while ago. It was in, I think it was in April, I'm not sure. I don't know, it's primeros meses. But I was debating if I should go or not. I was like, because it's all the way, it was in Indianapolis, like a 6-hour drive. So like, I don't know if I should go or not. Cause I mean, like Armando was like my favorite YouTuber. Like I would watch him todo eso. I would watch his videos. Pero then I was like, you know what? Fuck, let's go. Y lo bueno que fui porque if it wasn't for him, I don't think I'll be doing YouTube right now. Cause he saw me with the camera. Damn, this is hard. He saw me with the camera and todo eso. He's like, oh, you do YouTube? I'm like, yeah, bro. He's like, keep it up, bro. Like, I believe in you. Because he lloraba, I was like, yeah, bro. Appreciate it, bro. But yeah. So it was in Indianapolis. Y allí ya empezamos a bailar, todo eso, con like, I started dancing. Dude, it was packed. It was packed. Y después ya, I told him, I'm like, hey bro, like, I saw that you're gonna go to Nashville, like, I'm about to pull up too. Like, I got family with you, todo eso. I just can't get this one. And he's like, oh shit, like, let me know. Y ya cuando llegué ahí, he recognized me right away. He was like, oh shit, you're Jose. And I'm like, my boy knows my name? I'm like, shit. But yeah, it was in Indianapolis. Yeah, but I was really shy to talk to Brisa. But like, we were like, do like eye contact y todo eso, pero like, I was super shy. Así siempre he sido like super shy. Pero ya, what was it? And ¿cuál evento era? It was, what event was it? It wasn't in the one in Nashville, porque ahí, was it? Oh no, I think, I'm not sure, I think was it, oh it was in Rancho Choa cuando Armando tuvo su evento allá. Esa era la primera vez cuando estaba hablando cuando hablé con Brisa. Like, I went by myself, I didn't know no one except for like Armando. Screw this. I didn't know no one there except for Armando. Y ya luego el compita Rodi, he saw me. Oh, I knew a Rodi too, because igual the Nashville trip donde fui a su evento. Yeah, he saw me. He's like, yeah, hey bro, súbete. I'm like, am I allowed to? He's like, yeah, bro, I got you. Oh shit. Say less. It was a good ass event. Like, whew, that shit. It was a good ass event. Oh shit. But después ya nos bajamos allá donde estaban bailando todos. Y ahí estaba Gus, estaba, who else was there? Oh, Catherine. Está Cat. I wanted a picture with her. But igual, I was super shy. Después I was like, fuck. Después ahí también estaba, what's her name? Itati. She pulled up out of nowhere. I'm like, oh shit. When is your birthday? My birthday is October 11th of 2003. Does pineapple go on pizza? Hell no, pineapple does not go on pizza, but that shit is nasty, bro. Like, I don't know how y'all can even eat that. I cannot eat that. Like, I'll be picky. I'll be like, y'all pizza has pineapple and pone ham. Yo mismo le quito la piña. Next question. What state do you want to visit next year? That's a good question. Next year? I'm going to say probably Denver, Colorado. I heard y'all be getting down. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure I stay tuned on my YouTube channel where I'm going to be posting hella bangers. Like next year. Next year is my year. I promise y'all, next year is my year. Next year is my year. I'm telling y'all, we're coming strong. Next year is my year. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It was gonna be something different. Ahorita debo de ir a... I gotta go pack porque we're going to Florida, baby. Vamos para Florida. Woo, this is perfect. So y'all make sure y'all stay tuned for that vlog coming out, because my boy JMR and the team, we're gonna get down. We're gonna get down, pa. See y'all in the next one.